Your rental business is growing, but cash flow feels unpredictable. Payments are delayed, revenue is quietly declining, and no one knows exactly where the problem is. The data exists, but the answers don't. So, where is the problem? Is it delayed tenant payments, or is it revenue slowly leaking away from the key accounts? Let's start with the cash flow. We analyze tenant payments across invoices to understand how long it actually takes to get paid. The problem becomes clear instantly. Over 800 invoices are delayed beyond 30 days, putting $1.5 million at risk. But not all delays are equal. Most of the risk sits between 30 to 60 day range, which means these aren't lost payments, they are early warning signs. Now we go deeper. Which tenants are consistently late? A few accounts are repeatedly delaying payments by over 60 days. Now, the decision is quite clear. Follow up early on the 30 to 60 day delays and take immediate action on high risk tenants. But cash flow isn't the only issue. Even when payments come in, revenue itself may be shrinking. Out of 16 accounts, 10 are declining over the last 90 days. That's revenue quietly slipping away. But here's the key insight. Just a few accounts are responsible for most of the losses. One account alone dropped over 20%. And when we look at trends, we can see exactly where the decline started and whether it's getting worse. Not every account needs attention, so we prioritize high, medium, and low risk. Now the actions are quite obvious. Fix declining high value accounts, monitor medium risk ones, and let the stable ones run on its own.